Welcome to Autobike Reviews. Today, we bring you an exclusive look at the all-new 2026 Mahindra Bolero, India's iconic SUV that has been synonymous with strength, reliability, and rugged performance for decades. With its latest iteration, Mahindra promises an elevated experience in design, comfort, and technology, catering to both urban drivers and off-road enthusiasts. Let's dive into the details. Yay, say. Exterior design. The 2026 Mahindra Bolero showcases a refreshed yet familiar design. The bold front grille dominates the front fascia, flanked by sleek LED headlamps with integrated DRLs, giving it a modern but muscular appearance. The sculpted hood and angular body panels enhance the SUV's robust stance, while the signature high-ground clearance ensures a commanding road presence. Alloy wheels, redesigned bumpers, and roof rails add both functionality and style, making it equally suited for city streets and rugged terrains. Interior and comfort. Step inside, and the Bolero surprises with a cabin that blends practicality with comfort. The new dashboard layout features an intuitive infotainment system with a large touchscreen, smartphone connectivity, and advanced voice commands. Premium upholstery options and spacious seating ensure comfort for all passengers, while ergonomically designed seats and ample legroom make long journeys enjoyable. The SUV also includes multiple storage compartments and convenience features like automatic climate control and a multi-function steering wheel. Engine and performance. Under the hood, the 2026 Mahindra Bolero comes with a robust diesel engine that balances power and fuel efficiency. The engine delivers a strong torque output, making it capable of handling rough roads, steep inclines, and heavy loads effortlessly. Transmission options include both manual and automatic variants, providing flexibility for city commuting and off-road adventures. Its suspension system has been tuned to absorb shocks efficiently, ensuring a stable and comfortable ride even on challenging terrain. That's safety features. Safety has always been a key focus, and the 2026 Bolero raises the bar further. Standard safety features include dual airbags, ABS with EBD, rear parking sensors, and a reinforced body structure. Advanced driver assistance systems, including hill hold control and traction control, are available in higher trims, giving drivers confidence in both urban and rural settings. Child safety locks and ISO-fix mounts enhance family-friendly usability, making the Bolero a reliable choice for daily commutes and long trips alike. Technology and connectivity. Mahindra has integrated smart technology into the 2026 Bolero, enhancing the driving experience. The infotainment system supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring seamless smartphone integration. Keyless entry, push-button start, and a digital instrument cluster provide modern conveniences, while multiple USB charging ports and Bluetooth connectivity keep passengers connected on the go. Pricing and variants. The 2026 Mahindra Bolero comes in multiple trims, catering to different budgets and preferences. From the base model designed for practical everyday use to the top-end variant loaded with premium features, Mahindra ensures there is a Bolero for every customer. Competitive pricing combined with low maintenance costs makes it a strong contender in the SUV segment. Sets. Conclusion. In 2026, the Mahindra Bolero continues to dominate the Indian SUV market with its combination of ruggedness, modern technology, and unmatched reliability. Whether you're looking for a dependable family vehicle or a capable off-roader, the Bolero proves that its legacy is far from over. Stay tuned with Autobike Reviews for more updates and detailed reviews on India's latest vehicles.